of you have asked how you should start working with Google Drive. So I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you some basics for Google and Google Drive and our Gmail accounts. So all of you have a Gmail account as a new student at our school. If you have not set that up yet, please make sure to see me so that we can get that set up with your the proper email account. It has to be done at our school computers. It cannot be done at home. After you've done that, let's go to a Google Chrome. This is my preferred browser. You could access Google on any browser, but Google Chrome is my personal favorite. You are going to, once you get into Google, you're going to log in. I've already logged in. You can see here that Nicole here. That is my first name. And then you're going to hit this little icon that has the 9 squares. And that's your little roadmap for everything Google. We're going to spend most of our time in Google Mail and in Drive. And so I'm just going to click on the Drive app now, and it's going to take us to your Google Drive. And your Google Drive is the place that stores all of your documents. So Google Drive is very similar to Microsoft in terms of its word processing or its presentation development. And it stores documents very similar to your My Documents on a computer. So you can see here, this is the list of documents I have. I have created different folders for my documents based on how I want my documents arranged. To create a document, you just simply hit Create Document, and that will take you to a document right here as it starts to load. And again, it looks very similar to most word processing programs that you have used in the past. So all of these icons that are slowly starting to load right here are going to help you control the document and format it the way you would like. The one thing I do want to show you is how to change the title. It's a little bit tricky. If you just click on it, it will let you change it. Looks like you can't click on it, but you can. So change the title here so that you don't have a folder filled with untitled documents. Many times I will ask students to share a document with me, and what I mean by that is allowing me to view it and to comment on it. In order to do that, you're just going to go up here to this blue square and click on the share button. It will show you that the document is currently owned by me once this starts to load. So it'll show you that the document is currently owned by me. I am the owner here. And to change the share settings, you're just going to hit change and then select specific people if it hasn't already selected. You might want to just select it for Natomas Charter School or anyone with a specific link. And then you would just start to add email addresses. So you would type in my email address, change this over here to can comment, and that would allow me access to view and comment on your work. And then I want you to uncheck this box here. I don't need access to, or I don't need an email, to let me know that you've shared it with me. I'll just simply check my shared folder. And then you would hit OK. I'm not going to include anyone's email address, so you're not going to see that process, but that's how you would do it. If you want to go back to Drive, you can go through the same process with creating a presentation, which is like a PowerPoint, or a spreadsheet, which is very similar to Excel. This right here, your shared with me folder, is going to show you where all of the documents that you have been shared with are. And these are documents that people have shared with me. Yours will look different, obviously. If you have any other questions about Google or how to work Google or Docs or Drive, please feel free to email me and let me know. I would be happy to help. I hope this little tutorial gave you enough information